how to hard reset a Lenovo laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Lenovo laptop to fix issues such as the screen's frozen, it's not responding to your mouse movements or the keyboard, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So doing a hard reset will not affect the files. We're just going to force it to reboot the computer and fix any issues you're having. So it's really easy to do this. All we need to do is find the power button. And on my Lenovo laptop, it's just right there in the center, but it might be in a different location. So find the power button on your Lenovo laptop, and then you just want to hold down the button for around 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the backlight turn off on the keyboard, or maybe the fans turn off. Hold it down for around 5 seconds after that, and then you can let go. Now all we need to do is hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see it turn back on. And now we just forced it to reboot, and hopefully that fixed any issues you had where it was not responding or the screen was black. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.